Bangladesh ha kodoro tongnai Tripura saro bubagrani thani koimung narok lakya Bangladesh hawa beraina phaiti borongno naifenya ni bagui Bangladesh hawa tongui tongphano sirisitini laibumano rikshawi naike Tripura sa dofa bosong kaisani busa ngmaba tabubo khawa khakjangma tongkhu jungjal birman gphai tongphuro samo bajai chuba phainei bubagra o jora haimani jorao chuba mungmanmani bagui bubagrano hamjakma khakjangma te chibaibo yafarka Bangladesh ha kodoro tongui tongnai Tripura sa lukurok
Joto takurok no joto khunumka chungtini phaile ja bethani para Tripura sani kaisa kamio ino chung phaisuk phaijak chini achuini nogo to chung achuini bukhuni kaukhuni khutham khana laina acha achai adike chini raja tongo ha tongo aba nungsi ngade to chini raja no toma sanam chung kaukhuni kutha sadi
cái chạy lên thế tuần là giá cao rồi,
verify đi,
để bữa sau một thì thành đây, thì như là giờ sẽ ai phong sĩ nam, nó làm chủ, cũng phải là đã buộc phải đi mà lên nan này nan,
chúng nó này đây, chúng nó này đây,
thì nó bằng chia gì nữa ba,
này nè. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে চিনি আছে শাখা চিনি বুবাগ্রানো বো খানাও যাই ফুংসিনি চিনি রাজা দङ হা দङ বুবাগ্রা দङ মহারাজাবো দङ তো চিনি আছে চিনি মহারাজানো কাবখা বাংলা হাও বেরে ফেদিনো ববনো নাইনা মুচুঙো হনে যতন হামবাই তাকুরো আছে যতন খুরুঙ্গা তাকুরক আচ্ছা বিচুমা chung achu bichuma ni nogo phaijak kini kisu chobachuk rohornani bagoi acha bichuma nung chini raja to hi singde acha chini ha to hi basiye na adike chini raja no nung toma sanan chumi kaukhuni gutha sade
tạo đây,
sade no khna tong sabra si te
raja ang lên nó lên nồi sạt tông yam thế apa đây nung cái ông lên nó lên này nằm chủ yam lấy cái chỉ ni họ phải cái hai đấy bên vậy bên tăng yam là sẽ không xin sai bộ rồi tông yam thế để sợ không
acha
sợ nung abran nung tông đấy ông xia lấy
acha thik to adike achu bichuma kha to ni do adike no ha mo chini rafa ওই নিকে চুই সব সময় প্রার্থনা খাই নাই ঈশ্বর যেন নুয়ে পা সব সময় তোমরা দেয় ঠিক আছে কান্তনি
Hi, my name is Khushi Rai Tripura and I am the president of Bangladesh Tripura Kalyan Samsad Regional Branch Bandarbun. And let me speak in English since we speak in diverse Kogro to avoid confusion in understanding. This video message is particularly for our Maharaja, His Excellency Pradut Bikram Manikko Kishore Dev Burman and Honorable Chairman of Tripura Royal Castle. Honorable Maharaja, please note our sincere gratitude for your generosity and from this contribution we undoubtedly understood that you love us and given a strong evidence to the motto you strictly stand by Poila Jati Ulo Party. We are proud to have you as a leader and selfless leader, and obviously every single Tripuras are with you, that I trust from my heart. As mentioned before, we are more than 30,000 Tripuras living in Bandarbun, which fall in the southern part of Bangladesh, and we're living in remote, isolated and scattered in places with almost no means of mechanical transportation. 99% of the people depend on primitive agriculture system, what we call hook or jung cultivation. A very few families in recent past settled in Bandarbun district town after completing their education. I belong to that category as well, and having been one of the first among my village to make use of my education while my parents are still living in a deep inside in a village surrounded by dense forest. However, I just mentioned this just for a subtle glimpse of our general social settings. I would like to render my sincere gratitude again for your love and donation, and it's inspired us very high and to stand beside of the people who are suffering out of this COVID-19. And you have reached out of the hearts of each Tiprashas in Bandhavgarh district. And last but not least, I also would like to thank Mr. David Mura Singh and other friends in Tripura state and Khorang Biol Tripura in Bangladesh for giving me quick and convenient connection with Bubagra during these times of hardship out of COVID-19 to stay the situation of our communities. Long live Bubagra, and we love you very much. And if you look at my background, I have a photograph of you that I have received as a gift from the friends of some group of people when I visited to Agartala in 2007. Thank you, Bubagra.